Myself, Sunil Kumar KG, Assistant Professor, Engineering College, Ajmer. Today I teach Client Server Model. Client Server Model is a distributed application structure that partition takes over workloads between the providers of resources or service called servers and service re- requesters called clients. A client and server networking model is a model in which computers such as servers provide the network services to the other computers such as called clients. The example of a client server PC, smartphone, laptop, client, internet services, decision clients, then responses or requests. There are client server models. Client server model is distributed communication framework of network process among services requesters, client and service providers. The client server connection is established through a network or the internet. The client server model is core network computing concept, also building functionality for email exchange and web database access. Web technology and protocols built around the client server models are Hypertext Transfer Protocol (HTTP), domain systems, domain name systems (DNS), client mail transfer protocol (SMTP), Telnet. Client include web browsers and email software. Among clients, the server include web database applications. The a server manages most process and storage data. A client requests specified data or process. The server replies process output to the client. Clients sometimes handle processing but require service data resource for completing. The client server model differs from a peer-to-peer model where communicating systems are the client and server, each with equal status and responsible. The P2P model is decentralized networking. The client server model is centralized networking. One client server model drawback is having too many client requested and down in server and lead to improved functioning or total shutdown. Hackers often use such practices to terminate specific organizational service through distributed denial of service attacks. This is the client server model. Some examples: internet, hypertext, DNS, and SMTP. Internet called the client server models. Client server models. There are the responses and requesters. This is the called client server models. Thank you.